Let's focus first on the national capital this morning, where the COVID crisis is only continuing to worsen because in the last 24 hours, 1,501 cases have been reported in Delhi, and also the capital has recorded the biggest spike in COVID deaths so far. 28 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in Delhi. You also had a big development happening in the sense that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal met with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the COVID situation in Delhi. He tweeted also that the Home Minister has assured of all cooperation, and this even as an order has come in from the Delhi Lieutenant Governor asking hospitals to in fact put up LED screens that will display the number of beds, rates as well as contact details. So the Delhi Chief Minister also having a conversation with the Home Minister. The centre and the state have been working together to really deal with the COVID crisis in the national capital. The numbers are soaring. The Delhi government has also painted a very grim picture, and that really is on your screens. What the Delhi government has predicted, how in the next few weeks and 1 month or so, the cases could go up by a considerable number. Kumar Kunal is joining us with more details on this. Kumar, a number of steps at this point that the Delhi government is taking with regards to ensuring that a lot more hospital beds are available in the national capital. The Delhi Chief Minister has also spoken to Home Minister Amit Shah. Is the centre also going to be helping in this bid to really beef up the healthcare in the capital?
Definitely. As far as Delhi is concerned, both Delhi government and central government has stakes over Delhi. There are several hospitals which are being run by central government like AIIMS, Safdarjung, RML, and all those are COVID hospitals. Hence, Delhi government wants cooperation from central government in every aspect. Even as far as the funds are concerned, Delhi government need a big fund in view of fighting corona threat. That's why Delhi government is demanding 5,000 crore from central government. So all these things are going to come from central government only. One more aspect is there that Lieutenant Governor, who directly comes under Home Ministry, he has turned down two of the crucial decisions from Arvind Kejriwal government. So even that could have been discussed during the meeting with Amit Shah when Arvind Kejriwal talked to him.
All right, Kumar, thank you for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.